don't know if I'm going to put this item at the beginning or the end of the course, but here it is. Welcome to step 20. And step 20 is simple. My today's phrase is, I will Harada my way out of any situation. And that's what I'm going to do with my weight. I'm going to Harada my way to another Skinny George situation. Okay. Now, there's a little story behind here, and the homework is simple. I want you to share with me one success. So it might take a little while, but say in an email using the subject that I told you, go ahead and share one success that you've had because of the Harada method. And if you say, George, you can use this, put it on LinkedIn and give me credit, I will. I'd love to do that for you. So share a success and let me know if I can use that phrase or that, paragraph or anything you sent me. You want to send me a picture? Send me a picture with a little write-up of what that is. Okay, so that's the homework. Now, my story. I was talking to a friend who was in hot water. He knows who he is. And he said, George, I'm sure you know what it's like. And this is post-COVID. And he says, I'm traveling all the time. I love my job, but I don't love the travel. I hate traveling. And I got to agree with him. He says, you know what I mean, right? You must do it every day. And I said, no, I don't do it every day. And I suggest you don't as well. So I want you to Harada your way out of that situation. And he knows Harada, and he knows the system and the process. And he says, great idea. So you're going back to your value system. You're thinking about, look, what's my greater purpose in life? Am I living this purpose? Am I living my greater purpose statement? And if your greater purpose is to do a lot of traveling, and you love traveling, great. If you don't love traveling, find ways to add value by not traveling. And this is the world we're living in today anyways. A lot of it is remote. So send me a success. Harada your way out of any poor situation that you're in by going through these 20 steps quickly, and reinforce what you're learning by listening to the rest of the course. You're done. You send me those 20 emails with the last step being what your success was, and let me share it with the world. I will send you a Harada certificate. Thank you.